My office is in the receipt of information from the Office of the Acting Chief Registrar of Societies, who has given an account of events that transpired. Mr. Sean Tembo, President of the Patriots for Economic Progress Party, visited the office to request for change of host bearers on 20th May 2026 and subsequent events that followed. On 20th May 2026, Mr. Sean Tembo approached the Office of the Acting Chief Registrar of Societies with two letters, one written to the Acting Chief Registrar informing him of the decision made to amend the list of host bearers for the party by changing the status of Ms. Esther Lungu, who is a committee member and was reappointed as Secretary General on 20th May 2026 to enable her sign adoption nomination papers for the party. The second letter was addressed to Ms. Lungu and was for her reappointment as Secretary General. Initially, the adoption papers were signed by Ms. Lungu but were rejected by Electoral Commission of Zambia because she was not appearing as the Secretary General of the party on the list of host bearers that was sent by Registrar Societies as required under the new Electoral Act of 2026. Hence, Mr. Tembo wrote a letter reappointing her as Secretary General. These were the two letters that were submitted to the Office of the Registrar of Society. Upon receipt of this request, the Acting Chief Registrar of Society informed Mr. Tembo during the verbal discussion that according to the records on the system and file, Ms. Esther Lungu had never appeared on the party records as Secretary General. He was further advised that if he wished to have Ms. Lungu as Secretary General, he would be required to submit the application of change of host bearer in accordance with Section 38, Rule 15 of Cap 119 of the laws of Zambia. That included completed Form SO8, stamped at Police and Law Council, submitting of minutes of meetings on how she was appointed and prescribed the fee. Mr. Tembo declined this process, saying it would take a long because the change was urgently required to facilitate filing of nomination papers for Patriots for Economic Progress presidential candidate and running mate. Whilst he was still at the office, the Acting Chief Registrar checked the records on the file and in the system and a copy of the printout that was issued to the Electoral Commission of Zambia. It was discovered that the list of host bearers consisted of two Secretary Generals, namely Mr. John Handavu and Mr. Adam Njovu. He was advised that the office would further check the records to establish who between the two was appearing as Secretary General, as was the right General Secretary, and if any changes had been made. After the registration of the party in 2026, Mr. Tembo was then advised to come later after the authentication of the records. After the verification of records, it was discovered that Mr. John Handavu had been the Secretary General of the party and no amendment had been done to remove him as Secretary General. This was also supported by the correspondence on the file. Later, around 15 hours, Mr. Tembo went back to the office of the Acting Chief Registrar with another letter addressed to the officer, which was now confirming that Mr. Adam Njovu was General Secretary. He was then informed by Acting Chief Registrar that according to the records held at Registrars of Societies, Mr. John Handavu was consistently appearing as the General Secretary of the party and the records would be maintained as such. However, he still insisted that the changes should be made in favor of Mr. Adam Njovu. Thereafter, he left the office. On 21st May, in the morning, the Office of the Acting Chief Registrar notified the Electoral Commission of Zambia through a fresh printout that confirmed Mr. John Handavu as the legitimate General Secretary of the party to enable the signing and the filing in of nomination papers for the party. Members of the press, it should be noted that there were unauthorized changes on or to the party records held at, there were no unauthorized changes on or to the party records held at the Registrar of Society. Further, the change that is being attributed to have been done by Prince Care in 2023 on case number 86675 at an internet cafe was never processed. It ended at application level because the applicant was neither an office bearer as required by the Societies Act nor an authorized representative of the party. Members of press can do a search on this case number. Further, it is worth noting that records at the Registrar of Societies have always maintained PEP as a political party on type of society, although the applicants on the registration of the party could have indicated the main activity as preaching and ministry as picked from the drop-down menu of the system, which contains numerous activities for various categories of societies. You may wish to note that the printout of office bearers that was made on 15th April 2026 was submitted to ECZ reflected the same details as the printout of the office bearer that was made on case number C2022-0831-63791 dated 7th September 2022. This effectively confirmed that there had been no changes to the list of office bearers. I rest the case. Thank you.